Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, right here, on the side of me, whatever you want to call it, we got a 2007 Nissan Murano. And today, we're going to show you how to replace the muffler. It's a big whole muffler thing, right in the back of the car. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, first things first, safety. We got the car jacked up from the center and we got two jack stands holding up the car. Alright, that's number one. Now number two, I'm going to take off this tire right here. You don't have to do it. I'm just going to take it off so we can get some nice, good angle for you guys when you go ahead and change this muffler. Yeah, buddy. All right, so let me get this tire off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, here it is. Here's your whole muffler. Now, the reason why we're changing this, broke right off right there. So we got to get this thing out of here. Good part about this is that part broken off, so half our work is already done. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we got, if you look up here, it's a bushing right here that this the muffler goes in and hangs it up. A hanger, you can call it. Now, to get this out of here, you're just gonna pull it. And better yet, guys, let me see here. This little WD-40 right here of PV Blaster. You see that pretty good up here? Mm-hmm. All right, you're just gonna put a little bit up there, just like that. Then you're gonna work it out. Just like that. Let the muffler hang down. And it's actually, now that I got it hang down, if you look straight over here, you're gonna see two more. Got those?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do is take my spray and I'm going to go on the opposite side, or you can take it off from here as well, either one. But being that I got the, it might be better over there because those are, let's spray the top ones because those are not rusty. So it's probably slide off better that way. Yeah. Slide off better that way. We have bright ideas. Alright, let me go over here and work with this one. Okay, there's one. Now this thing's gonna drop down, so I'm gonna take my left hand, hold the muffler up in the center. Then I gotta work this one. Be very careful over here, guys, because this heat shield right here, it's kind of sharp right here. So you don't want to pull out and then cut yourself on this thing right here, on that thing. So work it out. There we go. Okay. Bring our muffler down and out of the way. We'll be right back. All right, guys. The next thing we got two 14mm nuts. One right here and one on the outside. Matter of fact, pass me the camera. Gotta make sure I grab the camera from the handle because I want Silver getting mad at me. Alright, so we got one right there and one right there. Want to see Sivvy?
No!
Alright, now what you want to do, we're going to spray it just a little bit. We don't really care if they break or not because it's going to, we ain't using them anyway. Now I'm going to be using a 14mm deep 3/8 drive socket, and I'm going to be using my cordless ratchet. You can use a regular ratchet as well. What you want to do is make sure, guys, make sure that thing is on, because being that they're rusty, it's easy to strip out. And then you'll be in a world of trouble. So let's go. Oh my goodness. And it broke off. But that's cool though. That's cool though. Then let's get this out of here. Dang it.
Oh man, too bad I missed that.
Son of a biscuit. Alright guys, let me go get a hammer and hit this thing off. Be right back. Alright guys, got me a hammer. You know what guys? This is bull. This is some, oh there it is, okay, good. Alright, let's go over here. Get another one on. Again, make sure that thing is all the way on before you turn it, because you don't strip that thing out. Oh my goodness, dang it. Please don't. Oh, dang it, guys. You know what? Take this out, guys. We'll get a little hammer here. Knock that on. And, let me go get me a regular 3/8 ratchet because this bulky head right here is getting in the way and not letting me go on all the way. So I'll be right back. Okay. All right, guys. Sylvia was yelling at me, so I had to go put my safety goggles on.
That's right.
Okay, so let me try it now. Now I want it to break, but don't. Man, come on. Now the thing gonna turn. Tell you what, I'm gonna stick my hammer right between there. Man. This thing gonna come out. Maybe I shouldn't have sprayed it, dang it. Dang it. Ah. You know, this, you know, I shouldn't have put these goggles on. Sylvia.
Somehow or another, I knew this was going to be my fault.
If you wouldn't have had me put these goggles on, I would have had this out already.
Yep. Sure would have.
So, messed up.
Yep. Just
Stuff right
let me show the people all the stuff that fell down on the ground from the muffler. Now, what if one of those pieces fell in your eyes?
It wouldn't have. A Mastro. It would have did no such thing.
Yep.
Alright. There we go, guys. Is this a gasket? What that thing look bent? What the heck?
What looks bent?
Over this side. Maybe it's cool. I don't know. Is that a little gasket around there?
Possibly.
Oh well. Then we'll get a screwdriver, and this will be a good time to flip this cardboard over so we can get all this rust out of here. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, here it is. Got a brand new gasket here. So let's go with our screwdriver and
don't look like it's coming out.
Don't. This one's come out.
I guess because it's so rusty.
I hope so.
Okay.
There you go, Sibby. Just for you, Sibby.
Okay.
Look at that. Yeah, boy. All right. Let's take that off here. We actually don't have to put this on now. But hey, let me see. Make sure it goes up there. It does, but there's a little lip over here. Nothing. No hammer won't. Hammer action won't help. A little bit more. Put the screwdriver in there. Dang it. Oh, it's almost there. Hey, look at that, guys. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys. Let's put this up. And let's go get our new muffler. Be right back. All right, guys. We got our new muffler here. Looks like it's about to rain. We got our new bushings right here. What we're going to do is spray a little PB blaster on those. Go to this end. And push that on. Okay. And do the same thing to the other one. And push that on. Now, those are ready to go up. The next thing we're going to do is take our PB blaster and right up here, we got the other bushing. And we're going to spray inside there. So we got no problem of that going up. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go over here and we're going to go hang up this part first. Since this is the last part we took down. So we're going to pick the muffler up. Let's get this one over here if I can see it. Let me bring this thing up further. Okay. Let's get this one on. Very important to use that PB blaster. See how easy that goes on? Yeah, buddy. Let's get our other one. Get that one on. Almost. Yeah, okay. We got that on. All right, now let's go over here to this side. Pick this up and hook that up to the bushing. Now, check this out, guys. This is the important part right here. You see how you can hear the muffler hitting a little bit? So what we're gonna do, you can see, we're gonna put that in. Okay. And you may have to bend these brackets a little bit to make sure you got enough clearance on the tailpipe, on the ends. Make it goes. That thing's gonna have to bend to match up onto there too, because you don't want to put no pressure on this pipe. So this sucks. We're gonna have to bend this a little bit. So this end gotta bend that way. Oh man, how the heck they?
So the thing doesn't go in more?
Wait, that way?
I don't know what it's called. That little thing you put in the hanger.
See, it goes right here, but see. It's off just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So I want to bend this a little bit to make sure it there's no tension on it, because if there's tension on it, that's exactly what's going to happen. It'll break right there when it gets old, and we don't want that. So let me go get a pry bar, and I'll be right back. All right, ready? All right, guys, got my pry bar. Stick my pry bar right between here. I just want to bend that pipe just a little bit. Dang it, man. Probably from shipping, and it hits All right, yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Perfectly lined up. All right, now the suck part about this is they didn't give no new nuts and bolts, so we gotta go get some nuts and bolts to go in there. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got 2 bolts with the washers on them, 2 nuts, and we got 2 washers. One is a little bit bigger, but it's quite all right. The next thing we're gonna do is get our bolts, put them in there. Make sure this thing is lined up right. Dang it, man. Okay. Now, right between this in here, we want to make sure the opening on the muffler is definitely lining up with that little washer. And so far it is. So now let's get our washers, and we're going to put our washers on, and then start our nuts by hand and bring it up as much as we can. All right, let's get that done. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I got my cordless ratchet here, 14 millimeter deep. And what I'm going to do here is make sure it lines up. And I'm going to start alternating, tightening these up. Making sure that crush washer is in place. Yeah, buddy, guys, look at that. All right, now let's go to the back of the car and make sure we got some great distance between the bumper and the muffler. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, look at that, guys. Look at the distance between there and there. Nice chrome tips. And come over here to this side. Perfect distance, guys. Look at that. We are definitely in the bank. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, now, while you're out here, let me go start it up. And let's see how it sounds. All right? Oh, yeah, boy. Look at that listen to that high performance. All right, now, guys, next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over here to the side. This is the important part. Making sure we don't hear nothing, no kind of leak coming from here. And you'll be able to put your hand around there. And if you want, guys, you can spray some soapy water right there. Yeah, get some Chris Fix soapy water. Yeah, buddy. Shout out to Chris. And spray it around here and see if you hear any bubbles. But that is great, guys. I don't hear nothing. Nothing at all. Great job. All right, let's get this tire back on. Let this car back down. We'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 2007 Nissan Murano, and we showed you how to replace the rear muffler. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.